Well, guys, I managed to harvest the potato garden, and I must say that um, some plants did well and others did not. But overall, I'm quite impressed with the produce that I managed to get. So, what you're seeing here is a box full of potatoes. So, this could be an equivalent of 7 kilograms of potato bags. Rand wise, it could be costing between 80 and 90 rand. So I think I've managed to save us run about that. But I think the moral of the story is that don't put anything to waste. So these were old potatoes that were chitting. So I decided to put them on the ground. And 3 months later, they've yielded extra potatoes for the family to eat. This is an encouragement to you that you take opportunity of gardening, which is also good for your health. And yeah, so this is what I have, and I think my family and I are gonna be quite excited and enjoying the potatoes. Well, from me to you, take care. Bye.